Hey, it's Chris O'Halloran from Takeoff.io. Just want to show you our new autofill feature. To access the autofill feature, I'm going to grab this icon right here. The way it works then is it's going to automatically fill in an area that's enclosed by some lines. So we can click right on here, and what you see is the autofill feature has automatically filled in this whole area. It's great for areas that are quite large and open that don't have a lot of lines in the middle of them, but a quick way of capturing external render like we've done in this case. So again, to access that autofill feature, you want to grab the paint icon here, drag it over, and then click on the area that you want to infill. If you're working on an area that has an opening, what you can do is hold the control button. Oops. No. Shift. So again, to access the autofill feature, you just grab the icon here, the paint icon, click it on an area that you wish to fill in. Now, if you're working on an area that has maybe an opening, what you can do is hold the Shift key and you'll see that this crosshair appears. From here, you can actually then go and draw a terminating line. And then if I release Shift and click the button in here, you'll see now the paint fill has gone in and stopped at that manually drawn line. So that's the auto paint feature. Great way of filling in large open areas for on-screen takeoff. Thanks for watching.